Bollywood actress Nora Fatehi is once again the talk of the town for her sexy dance moves. Her foot-tapping dance number in Satyameva Jayate 2 titled Kusu Kusu is finally out now. In the song, Nora can be seen flaunting her hot belly dance moves. Nora's breathtaking expressions and stunning outfits make the song a perfect treat for all her fans. The song has gone viral on social media. Nora took to her Instagram handle to share the song. She wrote, Earthquake. Nora says after the success of Dilbar in the first installment of the film, to be able to return as Dilruba for the track Kusu Kusu feels really great. Turning into the lucky charm for John Abraham, Nora collaborates with the actor yet again after Dilbar, O Saki Saki and Rock the Party, while the actress marks her hat-trick with filmmaker Milap Zaveri post Dilbar and Ek To Kam Zindagani. Talking about returning to the franchise, Nora Fatehi shares, Satyamev Jayate holds an extremely special place in my life and I'm so glad to be part of Satyamev Jayate 2 as well. After the success of Dilbar, to be able to return as Dilruba feels really great. I'm thankful to Milap, Nikhil sir and Bhushan sir for choosing me to be part of this opportunity once again. And I'm really excited to present Kusu Kusu and really looking forward to the response from everyone. Director Milap Zaveri also expressed his excitement for Nora's return. He shared, I'm thrilled after the iconic Dilbar and Ek To Kam Zindagani to have Nora part of Kusu Kusu. She has been a lucky charm for me and her brilliance and talent has wowed the entire nation, in fact the world, who are die-hard fans of her beauty and dance. I am so grateful to her for continuing the tradition and being part of Satyamev Jayate 2. Satyamev Jayate 2 is all set to release on November 25. Nora is quite active on social media. The Moroccan beauty currently has 34.2 million followers on Instagram. Nora always keeps her fans entertained with her social media posts. She is one such actress who knows how to make heads turn in any attire, whether it's sari, dresses or beachwear. On the acting front, Nora was last seen in the film Bhuj, the Pride of India. The film also starred Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi Sinha, Sanjay Dutt and Sharat Kelkar in pivotal roles. Directed by Abhishek Dudhaiya, the film was released on Disney Plus Hotstar.